How to log in Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log into Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to log into Discord, first of all go ahead and then launch the Discord application here, and then you're gonna see this type of interface where from the bottom, first of all, if you don't have an account you can tap the register option there, but if you already have an account like we're assuming here, you can tap the login option directly. And then if you have any of the passwords saved, you can just try to log in using the saved password, or you can choose to enter your email or phone number manually and then enter your password. If you don't know what password you have typed in, you can tap the I button over here in order to view your current password. If you forgot your password, you can just tap the forgot your password option here to follow the instructions to reset it. And if all your details are correct, you can just tap the login option in order to log in successfully. This way you will be able to log into Discord. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.